Welcome to the introduction of Before's Neonatal Pediatric Scale. In this video, we will show you how the tare button works, how to use weight lock function, the reweigh function, and the recall function. We will also explain motion lock technology and how to change the user settings. The tare button allows the user to deduct the weight of an object such as a blanket, displaying only the baby's weight. To demonstrate how the tare button works, I first weighed the baby without the blanket. Note, the net weight is 853 grams. Place the blanket on the scale and the weight of the blanket displays. Press the tare button. Your scale will return to the 0 display. If you remove the object, such as the blanket, note the minus sign next to the weight of the blanket. Your tare weight is now set and you can place the blanket and the baby on the scale. Only the baby's weight will display. You can also put an object such as a blanket in the cradle and turn the scale on. The display will read 0, automatically activating the tare. Last, anything under 20 grams also automatically activates the tare. If there is excessive motion during the weigh-in process, the motion lock will activate after 8 seconds and the words average weight and prior weight will display with the baby's average weight. If you need to reweigh the baby, you do not have to remove the baby from the cradle and start all over. Press the reweigh recall button and the baby will be reweighed. After removing the baby from the cradle, if you want to recall the weight, again press the reweigh recall and you will have the last weight entered. Your scale has 4 additional settings that you may customize to your specific needs. You can program your scale to shut down after 12 seconds and up to 25 minutes of no use. Make sure your display is reading 0. Hold down the menu and recall button. Set 0 will display. Using up arrow located above the pounds and kilogram button, press repeatedly until set 3 appears. The far left digit will be flashing. Use the up and down arrows to set the time for your scale to shut down. In this example, I am using my arrow up and repeatedly pressing to the number 5. Then I press enter. I am now in the 3rd place and I am leaving that number at 0. Press enter and now my scale is programmed to shut off after 5 minutes. The next 3 settings can be done in set 5. Again, press your menu and recall button until you see set 0. Press the up arrow to the number 5 and press enter. To the far left, the first number will be flashing. This is the number for the tone. If the first place number is already at the number 1, then you will receive a tone whenever a weight is locked in. If it is at the 0, the tone is off. You can press the arrows up or down to change your current numbers, then press enter to go to the next place. The second position will now be flashing. This disables the pounds and kilograms. If the number is at 1, your pounds kilograms is unlocked. If your number is at 0, your pounds or kilograms is locked out. You can press the arrow up or down buttons to change your current number and then press enter to go to the next place. The next 2 spaces, the 3rd and 4th, are not currently being used. Press enter twice to go to the 5th position. This number will now be flashing. This number displays whether you want your scale to weigh in grams or kilograms. If the number is at 1, your scale is weighing in grams. If your number is at 0, your scale is weighing in at kilograms. Again, you can press the arrow up or down buttons to change your current number, then press enter and your setting options are complete. Note the location of the grams and kilograms on your display. Right now the scale is weighing in grams, which means I have my settings set on number 1. By holding the menu and recall button, pressing enter until I see set 5, and again pressing enter until I'm in the 5th position, I can change my number from 1 to 0, now putting my scale to weigh in kilograms. Last, there is the battery life indicator also located on your display to advise you when you need to change your batteries.